What is up, guys? Welcome back to Cabello and welcome back to a new update. This is gonna be week 57 of using Minoxidil on my face. And this is about 1 month of beard growth right now. So, as you can see, maybe, I don't know if you can tell or not, I cut my hair, went for a haircut. It was getting too long on the top. That's basically what it is right now. I think that's the best length for it at the moment. Then I just got a fade and my beard line up. So yeah. All right. So starting with the left side, that's what the beard is looking like at the moment. That's about, as I said, 1 month of growth. I do feel like my beard is growing faster now for some reason. I don't think it used to grow this fast. Still patchy, but yeah, I feel like it's growing faster for some reason. So yeah, that's the left side. And my neck on the left side, that's what it looks like. Moving to the middle area. My mustache, definitely getting better, I think. Thanks to Minoxidil 10%. It's kind of hard to see, but there's definitely no like transitionals everywhere. When before I feel like there will be just like white vellus hair. Now it's all like getting darker. Just a good sign. I don't know, I'm not expecting any miracles with 10%, but it's looking better, I think. Connector on the left side is looking good. On the right side, still patchy down here. And this part gets fuller as well as this little hole as my beard grows, because it starts to cover it. I think by month 2 or month 3, my beard starts looking like fuller, and a lot of the patches like here and this one look way better. At this point, my beard looks very patchy, just because there's a lot of bald spots. But anyways, here's my chin. That's what it's looking like. And then the right side, that's where we are right now. So yeah, guys, 10%. As I always say in every single video, it's really hard. It's so, I don't know, the side effects are so strong for me. I've been trying to use it, I haven't been consistent with it. I've been using it once a day. Some days I use it twice a day. Some days I don't use Minoxidil at all because I need a break from all the side effects, all the flakiness on my skin and all that. But overall, I think it is working, especially because of my mustache. Like now you can tell there's like a shadow there at least, when there used to be nothing before. So yeah, and I don't know if it's the 10% as well, but as I said, my beard is growing way faster than it used to before. This is only 1 month, and that's what it looks like. When before it will take at least, I don't know, a month and a half, even close to 2 months to look like this. So yeah, that's another thing. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comments. What do you think of my new haircut? What do you think of the sideburns being so thin? I can grow thicker sideburns, but I don't know. That's what my barber basically decided to do. I told him just to do anything that he thought it looked good. And yeah, this is what he gave me. So let me know in the comments what you think. I always appreciate your input. And yeah, I'll see you again in the next update. Bye.